What's up, fellow humans? Today I'm going to be showing you the cat's pose and the seven-sided star stance. So if you haven't checked out part 1, cleansing breath, I've included a link in the description and this handy little clicking box thing next to me. So let's get grounded, let's take a few cleansing breaths, and let's get right into it. Shift your weight onto one leg of your choice, and with the other 5 to 10% of the weight, you can tap your toe lightly, or you can keep it in place. You can try to go for 100% right away if you want. No rush. The key to today's exercise is slow, mindful movement. Okay, so test the waters out a bit. Touch the ground around lightly with your toe, breathing up, raising your arms up, breathing out, pushing your palms down. As your weight transfers from one side to the other, become increasingly aware and mindful of what this feels like. Slow it down if you can, and feel what it feels like to slightly grip the ground with your toes, feeling your glute fire, feeling your entire leg, not forcing it, but just becoming more aware of the intricacies and the subtleties within your beautiful body. Great. Let's take a breath here, grounded, to recalibrate, and now get into the seven-sided star stance. It's got a pretty flowery name out of ancient China, but it's also quite fierce. The seven-sided star stance is named for the 7 points on the body that are used for striking. In Qigong, it is also named for the 7 points of energy, which are the shoulders, the hips, the waist, and the crown of your head. Now, as we do this, we're lifting our toes on the leg that's very light. And I want you to tune into how that feels when you breathe in. You feel a pinch in your lower back? You might. That is a cue to raise up your chest more. You can flex your core slightly, extend your crown to the heavens. As we're doing this, we are still breathing in, lifting our palms up, and breathing out, pushing our palms down. We can get a bit creative with this if we want. We can switch to cat's pose. We can switch our feet around. You can see what my glutes are doing right now. I kind of look a bit deformed, don't I? But I'm actually in quite a structurally sound stance. Thanks so much for joining today. I hope you found some benefit. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I do take requests for videos, so your comment will be replied and noticed by me, and chances are I will do a video just for you. If you like what we're doing here, be sure to subscribe and share this with a family member that you want to gift abundant health to.